Last player standing.
Ah, dalawa.
Ay, ace to. Panood ko na to.
Silence.
Sarap.
Bobo yan.
One enemy remaining.
Bobo yan.
Spike
Ay,
down.
bul.
Sabi
Wow.
ko na ace eh. Grabe.
That's done. Last player standing. One enemy remaining. I had to focus for a second.
Kila yung mga kalaban dun.
If you're not a good shot today, go for it. There are
Uy,
other
kupal
ways.
ka. Si Sage lang yung paa at saka si Cypher.
Silan mo nga ng ganyang skin, pre.
Ganitong skin nga, Chi.
Ano?
Sa right mo lang. What the fuck?
Dapat pa naman.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Enemy remaining.
Elbow, elbow.
Elbow.
Nag-line sa ata si Idol. Siya nabulag ko. Shout out. Press 1. Wala?
Hindi ako to.
Naka-shades naman siya pero
Ah,
Okay.
shades pala to.
Player standing.
80 yung Reyna, nag-heal.
Oh, clutch.
Spike planted. Enemy remaining.
Pugi talaga ni Ajatek. Bro.
Ay, wala yung offer.
Wala. Clutch lang ka ako.
Walang offer.
Hindi ko defuse.
Player standing.
And the last thing they'll see before they die.
One enemy remaining.
Carl John!
Nag-reload pa. Content na naman kayo guys.
Highlight!
Content na naman.
105.
Si main. Akin na to. Ayoko na to.
Akin na to.
Hindi sa'yo, tol.